Mama wakwaba aha GCN page so midi ede adwoa searching and then the kan ya odi ATM ya mestre na wa subscribe to my channel na odo nsa emia be on so ube ya notification ene sa ne news e de betum bia ubenye bia tie anase ubenye bia hwe ewo GCN page ha. Afia Pokuwaa Vim lady journalist ewo Ghana hanom na she's one of the journalists omo Ghana hanom a Ghana ho dadwen edana komaso. Afia Pokuwaa edwen Ghana ho yi papapa ensema ekoso wo Ghana hanom efa politicians no eho a enye na Afia Pokuwaa eka ono onfa ho se oye NDC ni oye NPP ni obeka wasem oyade papapa ye ewo Ghana hanom na Afia Pokuwaa na okase ni sema okay na ne se Ghana ha eye oman bia kamia koye se ejapade bia ye wo bi nyankopon adum ye nyema bebre gold ye wo bi diamond timber nyema bebre ye wo bi e wo Ghana hanom enso kamia koye se empeniforo eba omo bedia na omoko NPP bedia na omoko NDC bedia na omoko na chese Ghana youth ni do omo endwen ye hu mpo na campus wadwen Ghana mine ho na Afia Pokuwaa se ye hwe Ghana bako semwa Ghana hanom eba no democracy starting ya enkrofo a omo edi Ghana so ache yie pa eye NDC fo if you want sana NPP na e Ghana hanom nso no party say di akotin yie papa eye NPP na NDC but NDC eno omo edi Ghana so yie papa na nso ye hu ade pepe bia omo eye na NDC fo ba omo bedi bia na omo ko NPP fo nso the same thing ena omo eye tikame akoye say Ghana politicians de omo endwen oman ho na Afia Pokuwaa ka sensemi eno de tudwa ena ho kyerese eba ne se politicians no omo nto dan emma young girls slay queens na aba no ewo eye Legon East Legona and fast na umbeto sisi a eno do ani echiremu ewo Dubai a politicians no bebre ato dan ewo ho amemo girls wo do ani chiremu Ghana hanso a wo de eko Legon East Legon eho edan boye din ye papa Ghana politicians yo mu kukuye sika no mo de to adan akese my girls na chese girls nkitingiti o mu buhwe wo man mu ni na ene say politicians no efidi o mu a enti no ama no mu ani atara mu ani nto na Afia Pokuwaa eyo bi a esan say Ghana ho dadwen edana komaso nti no oya discussion na ene panifo twabom papa yi na yedana senso say de bi o twabom panifo no se ne be yo mo adwen ebeba o mo ho so na enti nsema Afia Pokuwaa ede etudwa
no Dr. Donfe Bekan ha say one of the biggest challenge of Ghana development any lack of knowledge any illiteracy bebre mpesi ebesua yenimo any enso mpesi ebesua and we are sitting in our ignorance and we are confident in our ignorance na nima yenim no kra yesend di omo munim natem nti sometimes kwa na ya ba TV so na radio so it's so difficult to get intellectuals because obia bekana sem na se bi di otini fie ne nya adwene a insesi ye nyina be intellectual analysis hwe na nanoma breso kra they say mrantia ne maba awa no aba ne de obi kire na adwene no ne nya adwene kra the first thing they do is come and insult APC for Ashanti Professional Club year summit be some years ago Professor Bako by Bema lecture say in the 1700s na wo bakumasi a na ni bie kra ma ye no adum ni ade nya emma na ekuta japade na obi aye ne research no aka say na me I go and quote the research but instead of say if your book ben na nipa no otroye no research findings no way perhaps you can read the book challenge the book and even challenge research findings no there be did attempt obaya ba ko tro say na gay we cry the minim de o me no friend me gay no if you me cry me awo no was gay we cry the minim why she calls herself a journalist tina mu wuntem no gone too soon what a shop mbeusa but remember my issue no we are doing women issues the Ghana at 65 struggle no ye bon kroma ko adi but there were women including ye nuabema Kwesi Pratt ye big brother ye wofa Kwesi Pratt or mami was part of those people who helped them Nkrumah in jail. Mami uncle CIA training, uncle FBI training. But this woman in history, according to researcher, the same doctor said, "One man we are go for because Ghana for we will not look for knowledge." Hey, this generation is doomed. Yes, generation because this generation will send Ghana to hell if there's a hell like that. This generation, Ghana. People don't look for knowledge, they won't read, and when you give them the knowledge, they are without even researching, they are contesting. That's why this is the generation who read the headlines, man. No, they won't even read the substantive issue. Headlines, it's a doom generation. But back to myself, see, they are very vim lady. Me the old demand 10 years, 20 years in it. Ebekumi anka kumi acha na nado 10 years bekuna anka kuno. Mahama ka 10 years kuna anka mahama sen kwa comatose. What you say? Bobi ejina ne naso to continue to insult. Yeah, they will continue to engage people and learn from them. And mayor, who the man over one ha CPP chairperson and leader of the party. Oba besia Nkrumah and Dr. Owusu Chairman Nkrumah party CPP is a women's party. A man that won Nkrumah. A man that won Nkrumah no independence. So why is it that when we talk about all the documents, all the books, articles about independence, you can't Nkrumah go on? Other than you can't Nkrumah, other than you more money, and then we'll go into and look at trace from Nkrumah time. I be seen are the women the ones who can save Ghana? Because over the last 65 years, Ghana independence. You try member wombe diska. Ya the amount of wakoto eda East Legon, akwakotem Dubai, no makodi, ebi de Canada, you see one broni, one papa no, then. Perhaps this is the time we need to try the women. We must try a woman and see so baby timia boy ania. Cause remember the woman man sabi brusem brother pioto ya no de ro. No bad okoro ho apioto. Obadi okoro ho apioto. But that is not to simplify the discussion said just merely because of sebi brusem obi tuedua ana obi tua yinti no akosu ekumenti they will be a better leader. There are other things that makes Nipa reasoning different by the better no the principles the values etie. We'll go into that and look at the independence. I'll give you a mabibri. Na make us say Ghana no and the researcher doc no me ade ne me ye 1947 na oba first woman doctor female doctor oba besia uti Facebook did that you don't even know this information what you say suya na google na odete wona udi ye nkofo ko hwe mato na wana abna kokko bo ni difa google you find it 1947 oba besia yeah akoso modam eyo oba besia Ghana ni biologist and oye research into aquatic life ebehwe say enam no awo akoso modam nim so ye dam no a ebetimi akum akoso mod enam no awo mu no ne other organisms awo mu ana say entumi nkono oba besia and oye sa research no and all those people are there Letitia Obing aquatic biologists yes in 19 unye bin so wo de say Nana, as far back as 1947, you had the first female doctor, a Ghanaian. You have 1965 for Babesia or research in Akosomo Dam. Share say in Suono, enkumumwa, ebekumwa, ebe say or Babesia, rantie, mabawa, waba, knowledge or social media. You so dear build the Ghana. There be Sabia Bruce brother as a Jimmy. Namodi to social media and atem. Tap into that knowledge and build something out of your life and give something to Mother Ghana. Nkrumah kwa abroche okosua de beboayo wani di atem Nkrumah kosua de wa abroche beboaye the question is also de usua no how are you using it to build Nkrumah nka se wa abrofo na ho ntima menya nam de abrofo no ye slave trade abrofo no they are abusing us abrofo no they are colonizing us nti ono Nkrumah sorry every day he will insult every day be obedi atem if Nkrumah had done that so independence na dey yakọ ho holiday no ayekọ chile ya wi Guinness ko road ross wo beach no nke ye nuru ho Nkrumah limited his advocacy, his fight on struggle for independence. Just so ODD atemwa. Kasa 1957 who independence na 6 months ye. Yeah, sorry. Insa see the June Ghana hono. Ya dinam beach. Road Ross beach. Bu atopan. Rinsan apio ogogoro. Any ye buono.